Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator on iPad. Getting started is easy. Simply download the application from your device's App Store. Once open, you will immediately notice the clean, touch-friendly interface designed for mobile creativity. The main toolbar, found on the left, provides access to essential drawing tools, while the Properties panel on the right adjusts your selections. Spend a few moments exploring these key areas before diving into your first project. Illustrator on iPad offers powerful tools, reimagined for touch. The pen tool, for instance, provides exceptional control for drawing intricate curves and sharp corners directly with your finger or a stylus. Combine and cut shapes efficiently using the intuitive Shape Builder tool, simplifying complex designs with just a few taps. Remember, quick gestures like a 2-finger tap to undo and a 3-finger tap to redo will significantly enhance your creative speed and efficiency. Effective organization is crucial for complex designs. Layers help you manage individual elements, allowing you to edit or hide specific parts of your artwork without affecting others. Grouping objects streamlines your workflow, letting you move or scale multiple items as a single unit. You can also work with several distinct artboards in one document, perfect for designing different versions or multiple assets for a single project. This keeps your entire creative process neatly contained. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing are straightforward. Your designs are automatically saved to the Adobe Creative Cloud, providing peace of mind and easy access across all your devices. Exporting offers flexibility, allowing you to choose formats like SVG for scalability or PNG and JPEG for web use. You can also share your work directly from the application, sending files to collaborators, or showcasing your designs on social media with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.